Good day, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a fuel pump inside a Toyota Corolla 1994 4AFE engine. It is a 1.6 GLI. So here it is. First, remove the 4 screws on the top of the access of fuel tank. Don't lose the screws. After doing that, remove the electrical wiring harness to avoid short circuiting the unit, or avoiding fire for that matter. After removing that, there are 2 tubes here, 2 hoses. One is the high pressure. This is the return hose, return fuel. I recommend you spray WD-40 to have an easier removal of this bolt. Wait for a few minutes. After spraying WD-40, use a 14mm wrench and a adjustable wrench to simultaneously open the high pressure valve bolt, high pressure hose area. This is a 14mm wrench. Avoid, or what do you call that? Do not allow any debris to go inside the tank. That's why you should keep the surface clean, the surroundings clean, before you pull out the fuel pump assembly. You will just use a pliers to remove this return hose. That's easier. By the way, guys, it is advisable to open the gas tank first before you open the high pressure hose, to remove any pressure or air inside and avoid fuel spill. Now remove these 8 bolts here. You can use a screwdriver. Don't lose the bolts. Guys, it is highly advisable to use just an 8mm T-wrench rather than the screwdriver, to avoid destroying the head of the bolts, 8mm bolts, and it will be easier. It is also advisable to, after loosen this bolt up, you just use your hands to remove the bolts to avoid destroying the thread. After removing all the bolts, carefully remove the fuel assembly unit, fuel sending unit. Now there is your fuel pump. After placing the harness and the new wires, securing the wires, be sure to clamp the hose of the high pressure valve safely, and then install the new filter. Don't forget the gasket, and reinstall the fuel pump assembly inside. It is advisable to put some medium strength thread lock around this high pressure hose tubing, or what they call that, bolt, just for security reasons, for just to be sure. No way. Tighten the 8mm screws first by hand, to not to re-thread them, not to destroy the thread. Place a clamp again on the return hose, and then place this both together again after placing a medium strength thread lock. After that, that's about it. Thanks for watching.